Brad's involved in a criminal case.
What do you mean criminal case, Jennifer?
Can you just be quiet? He needs to rest.
This is your fault. If you couldn't take care of him, why didn't you just leave him with me?
It's already been years. Can we not talk about that again?
Again?
Mom?
What do you want me to say?
Mom? Dad?
Son, how are you feeling?
Nurse! My son's awake.
Son, how are you feeling?
What happened to me?
It's okay.
Brad Corner, how are you feeling?
Can someone please tell me what's going on?
You were hit on the left side of your head. You have a slight concussion. The doctor will be here in a minute. In the meantime, get some rest and try not to move too much.
Slight concussion. I don't understand.
You were with Kate. Remember?
Who's Kate?
Got it.
May I speak with the two of you two for a moment, please?
Memory loss? Oh, God.
Luckily, it wasn't so bad.
Is it treatable?
As I said, a slight concussion could be fixed in a minute. Could be a couple of months. It depends on him.
I won't let him go to jail.
I know how you feel. But he killed the guy.
You didn't see him do it. He didn't do it intentionally. He was protecting his girlfriend.
It doesn't matter how. A man takes responsibility for what he did.
Why don't you take responsibility? Where is your responsibility as his father?
Well, maybe this is the moment and he needs a father to let him do the right thing.
Maybe this is the moment I need you to disappear. I'm going to help him. Brad, are you okay? Brad, are you okay?
I just had a dream I killed someone.
The most important thing for you is to get a good rest.
I really can't remember a thing.
Don't worry. You are protecting your girlfriend. You are brave.
I really can't remember having a girlfriend.
Don't worry about her. Mom's here.
If I was protecting my girlfriend, then where is she right now?
Let's not talk about this now. We have a lot to do tomorrow. Okay. Come Listen, Brad. This is what happened that night. Me, Brad Corner, walking on my way back home with my girlfriend Kate, slightly drunk, but my mind was still clear. And a man with a knife jumped out threatening to take my money. And then we got in a fight. And then he accidentally stabbed himself. And then he died. And that, son, is how you become a hero. And you're going to repeat exactly what I said for the statement report. Do you want to spend the rest of your life in jail?
No.
Good. Because heroes don't belong in jail.
A hero?
You were protecting your girlfriend from a robber.
Am I really a hero?
Go. Check it out.
Look, it's Brad, the hero. Are you feeling better, Brad?
So you're Brad, the one that killed that robber?
How does it feel like being a hero?
Am I really a hero?
You are a hero! Yes, society needs more people like you.
Society needs more people like me. I'm a hero.
Hero!
Hero! Hero! Hero! Hero! Hero! Hero! Hero! Hero! Hero!
I'm a hero!
Hero! Hero!
I'm a hero!
Hero! Hero!
I'm a hero!
Hero! Hero!
I'm a hero!
Hero! Hero! Hero! Hero! Hero! Hero!
I am
Hero!
a hero!
Hero!
I am a hero!
Hero!
Where have you been?
I just needed some time to rest.
I thought you would have stayed with me, Kate.
I just needed some time to accept this.
Except what?
That you killed someone.
I was protecting you. They say I'm a hero.
Yeah, you were protecting me. They weren't going to hurt me, they just wanted money.
So I cleaned some trash up for the city.
No! You don't understand. Okay, they might have deserved to be punished, but they didn't deserve to die.
I didn't mean to kill him. He ran into my knife.
No! I didn't! You don't remember anything, do you?
What did I do?
You murdered him.
No. I was protecting you. It's called self-defense.
It's not called self-defense when you were stabbing his body.
No, I'm a hero. A hero doesn't stab bodies.
Did they actually see what happened?
I know what happened.
Then answer me this. How did you hurt your head?
The robber hit me during the fight.
Then what about this? Stop, Brad! He's dead! Do you remember anything?
No. No. I need some rest.
Brad, are you awake? I spoke with the victim's family. All they want is $500,000 and this all goes away.
That's a person's life.
They don't care. Their son didn't have a job. He robbed people for a living. They never expected anything from him. And Brad hasn't decided his life yet.
It's not about the money. You're a lawyer. You shouldn't have done that. You should be protecting the law.
I am his mother. And I am protecting our son, God damn it. Robert, please. I'm begging you. They want $500,000 and I don't have it. Please help me and give our son a second chance.
Hey, Mr. Miller, this is Robert. I'm gonna need to make some adjustments to my retirement funds. You could please, just give me a call when you get a chance. Oh, hey, you're awake.
I heard everything.
Brad, your mom, she's just trying to.
When's the last time we sat down together like this?
8 years or so.
8 years and 63 days.
You remember.
I remember that part.
Are you feeling better now?
Do you remember this? This is the only thing I can remember that you taught me. Only I could never figure out how to solve it before you disappeared. And I thought the reason why you left was because you were disappointed in me. And so in those days, this became my faith.
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
No, it's okay. I forgive you for that. What I wanted to say is that I wanted to show you I could complete it. And now I have a chance to. And I can only complete one side. Dad, Do you think a man's guilt will follow him for the rest of his life?
Son, no matter what's happened to our family, you're an adult now. So we should have this conversation, not father to son, but maybe man to man.
Sure.
I'm guilty of letting our family fall apart, and I'm guilty for not taking care of you. But I made that choice. And if it turns out to be wrong, well, I have to accept that result. I guess what I'm trying to say is you have to make your own decisions, and you have to choose your own life. I'm sorry, I need to take this.
Choose my own life.
Do you remember everything?
Yes, I do.
Come on. Let's go to the station. We'll take your statement.